Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll solve this equation. We have x squared minus x cubed equal 12. Okay, so what the value of x? Okay, for this step, can write an equal 0 for this equation. X squared minus x cubed minus 12 equal 0. Okay, we have x squared and x cubed. And 12, you can write 10 for the 12 minus 4 and minus 8 is base of 2 equals 0. Okay, x squared minus x cubed minus 4 is 2 squared minus and 8 2 cube equal 0. Okay, so from this we have x squared minus 2 squared minus x cubed minus 2 cube equal 0. Okay, for x squared minus 2 squared, okay, write an x squared minus 2 squared minus look at x cubed plus 2 cube equals 0. Okay, uh, for x squared minus 2 squared, if we have x squared minus oh, x squared, a squared minus b squared is equal a plus b times a minus b. Okay, and if we have 2 cube minus plus b plus b cube is equal a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so for this x square minus 2 square is equal x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, minus x plus 2 times x square minus 2x plus 2 square is equal 0. Okay, and from this we have x plus 2, x plus 2, we have 2. Okay, x plus 2, x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal 0. Okay, x plus 2 can sum this x minus 2 mean x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Okay, x plus 2 times minus x squared x plus 2x plus 3x, 2 minus 2 minus 4 square minus 6 equals 0. Okay, from this we have two solution. Okay, first x plus 2 equals 0, and second one minus x squared plus 3x minus 6 equal 0. Okay, for x plus 2 equals 0, we have x equal minus 2. Okay, and for this we can use a quadratic formula for this. Okay, x equal minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4a times c over 2a. Okay, for this we have a equal minus 1. Okay, for b equal 3 and c equal minus 6. Okay, for x 1.2 equal minus b is 3. Okay, so we have minus 3 plus minus square root of b square minus 3 square minus 4 times a we have a equal minus 1. Okay, minus 1, and c equal minus 6. Minus 6 to a equal minus 1. Okay, so we have minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 24 over minus 2. Okay, from this we have minus 15 over minus 2. Okay, minus 3 over minus 2, we have plus 3 plus minus square root of 15 and imaginary over 2. Okay, from this we have imaginary number, so we can use this answer. So we can use the x minus 2 for this question. Okay, have answer is x equal minus 2. Okay, the question is x squared minus x cubed equal 12. We can substitute minus 2 square. Okay, minus 2 cube minus 2 square equal 4 minus 8 equal 12. So we have 4 plus 8 equal 12. 12 equal 12. Okay, so this answer is x equal minus 2. Okay, this question. Okay, thank you for watching.